Hi. Today I have a very cool lock. It's EVVA DPI. It's a oval cylinder, pretty shiny one, and this one is with 7 pins: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And first two are pretty short, then long, then short at the end. And this one is with a sidebar. So when I'm hopefully going to pick it, then I will show you that it's acting as a trap, except for when for the key it's a key. You cannot use any other key, so you need this key. So it's a key security thing for key duplication, but it's trap, acting as a trap when you try to pick it. And the keyway, it's pretty interesting one. That's the keyway, that's the key. So pretty interesting one. And of course I will pick it for some of you upside down, European way. And it's working very nice. And this one was heavily master paint, but I remove all the pins of the wafers except for last two, as far as I can remember. And it's not because the last are a standard, that's not like problematic to have a master pins on the standard ones, but all the first, because usually this one, as far as I can remember, first four are pretty long spools and then two standard ones. But yeah, hopefully I will pick it and show it to you. And for this one and this kind of oval locks, I'm always using a deep hook. So yeah, let's start. Let me move camera a bit because I don't want to hit the camera. And yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing, 6, nothing, 7, it's binding, click from 7, let's go back, 6, nothing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, click from 1, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, small click, 5, click, 6, 6 click, and now we are in full set. Hopefully this is in focus. So let's continue. 1, nothing, 2, counter rotation, come on, 2, click from 2, but I lost my full set, so probably some of the last pins. Let's say 1, small click, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and I am back in that deep full set. 1, 2, nothing, 3, 3, counter rotation, come on, 3, click from 3, and again I lost my full set. So some of the last pins are acting like carding pins. 5, then 6. Pretty interesting one. 1, 2, 3, nothing, 4. Yeah, 4. It's, let me. That's a wording. Let me check who is. 1, 2, 3. Click from 3. 925 5 4 6 6 was back. 1 2 3 4, now 4, 1 4. Yes, 4 was giving me counter rotation and we are open. So now I want to show you full rotation, and then this is because the this is because the drivers are catching. So, and now in this position, so the key is going to be like this, and on this side this part will interact with the drivers. So I need a standard pick, and to find that one, come on, yes, pick it and full rotation. It's a tricky pick, even there is only 4 spools, but yeah, let's disassemble this one. I really like this one. It seems like it's easy pick, but it's always a fantastically problematic pick. So after an enormous fight with a C-clip, these C-clips are they're problematic. So let's see, this is the body, 2 drill protections here, so 1 and 2. Remove first the top. This is the EVVA, and here's the core. So drill protection, nothing done, everything is standard. And here you can see this is the slot for the sidebar, and sidebar is like this. And here's my key. The key, when you put the key in, the sidebar is not allowing the core to rotate. So if you do not have the right key, and when we pick it, and one of the key pins drivers are interacting with this sidebar, and that's why it's a trap. So you need to be aware of that. And here's all the pins. As you can see, springs are the same. Drivers are first 4 spools and then standard. There's a 2 wafers, and all the key pins are standard 1. And yeah, I probably mix some of the pins, but that's not an issue because I have a key. I will fix that when I'm assembling it. So yeah, that was the EVVA. Stop it. That was the EVVA DPI. Picked and got it with a sidebar. So guys, again, thanks for watching. It was a bit longer video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.